If you want big, juicy strawberries like these, you're in the right place. There's a simple mix that can boost your yield, but most people never discover it. That one small detail often decides whether you get just a few fruits or a full, rich harvest. The best part is, you don't need anything expensive or complicated, and you probably already have everything at home. Strawberries are working at full capacity all the time, producing leaves, flowers, and fruit. If you don't give them a strong push at the beginning, the harvest will be weaker later on. The solution isn't stronger fertilizers, it's activating the soil. Once that happens, the plant starts using everything available much more efficiently, leading to more flowers, faster growth, and larger fruits. In this short video, I'll show you a simple but very effective natural fertilizer for strawberries. One of the ingredients is rarely used, yet it makes a huge difference. First, you'll need about 500 milliliters of warm water. This is where many people go wrong by using cold or hot water, but it should just be warm. Then add 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. Yeast activates beneficial microorganisms in the soil, helping roots grow faster and absorb nutrients more easily. This makes the plant stronger and more resilient, which later shows in more flowers and better fruit development. But many people miss one important addition here, and that's half a tablespoon of honey. Honey contains simple sugars that yeast uses immediately for activation and reproduction, speeding up microbial activity. Without it, yeast relies only on what's already in the soil, so the effect is weaker and slower. Now comes one of the best natural fertilizers that really makes a difference. Add 1 tablespoon of worm castings, as they contain readily available nutrients that the plant can use right away. They are rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, and trace elements like iron and magnesium, which significantly improve growth and fruit quality. They also introduce beneficial microorganisms that strengthen the roots and increase plant resistance. Let the mixture sit for a few hours, then strain it and dilute it with another 500 milliliters of water. Water your strawberries twice a month and don't overdo it because there's no need. Write in the comments if you've used worm castings for strawberries and whether you'll try this simple recipe. See you in the next video.